Okay, it's going.
Just let him take it out of you. I promise. It doesn't hurt, okay? See, it doesn't hurt. Max, Max, are you taking a video? Max, wanna try? Here, just, I promise, it doesn't hurt. It's like sandpaper. You know how like a largemouth bass?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like sandpaper.
Now he's sitting down, he's tired.
Feels really good. Here.
What if we get raisins?
Dude, just look how cute he is.
Don't make him stand up anymore. He's tired. What are we going to name him?
Let's name him Rooster.
I yelled.
Let's name him
Yeah.
See, look at him. Look how nice he is. Such a friendly.
He tried biting your finger.
He's tired. Should we try petting him?
No.
Here's another one if you want some.
You have to wash it.
It feels really good, actually.
You have to wash your
It
hands.
doesn't even pinch.
Sit.
What should we name him? Should we name him Margaret?
I want him to quack.
Let's name it Margaret. It's Margaret. What?
I want him to quack.
Quack, quack, quack. Ellie, should we bring him over there?
No.
Why? We should get him closer to the... Hey, I'm not gonna...
Go closer. Come on, boy.
Ellie.
No.